I am Javed Ahmed, Department of Mathematics, Jamshedpur Women's College, Jamshedpur. In this video number 7, we shall try to understand the concept of open sets. Actually, this video is an extension of video 6, in which the concept of open sets has been discussed in details, and in this video we shall give only the different examples. In example number 1, this question can be asked like this: prove that closed interval AB is not open. So by definition we have learned that a set is said to be open if it is neighborhood of each of its point. And in the previous video we have already proved and we have seen that the closed interval AB is the neighborhood of all its points between the points A and B, that is, it excludes A and B, that is, closed interval is not the neighborhood of its points. So closed interval is not the neighborhood of all its points, so this is not open. Now let us see the example 2. Show that a non-empty finite set is not open. We have already proved that a finite set is not a neighborhood of any of its point, and again by definition every non-empty finite set is not open. But we have seen that the open interval AB is the neighborhood of each of its points, and hence by definition open interval is always open. In example 4, a question can be asked like this: prove that union of an arbitrary family of open sets is open. Let us see. Let F be the union of an arbitrary family. F is the set of all S lambda such that lambda belongs to index set of open sets. For proving F to be open, it is enough to show that there exists an open interval containing X belongs to F and contained in F. That is, we shall try to prove that the set F is the neighborhood of any of its point, and for this there exists an open interval Ix in which the X belongs to Ix and which is a subset of F. Let X be an arbitrary member of F, and now X belongs to F. This implies there exists at least one member S lambda of F such that X belongs to S lambda, because F is the union of such sets. Since S lambda is open, this implies there exists an open interval Ix such that X belongs to Ix, which is a subset of S lambda, and when X will be a member of S lambda, it must be a member of F, because S lambda is a member of F. This implies X belongs to Ix, which is a subset of F, and this proves that F is open. Because F contains an open interval Ix and which contains an arbitrary point X, and this shows that the set F is a neighborhood of an arbitrary point X. and hence by definition of open set, F is open. Okay, thank you.